All right. Brother Duplantis is on this morning. It's another Sunday morning. And I got up a little bit after 7, right? Watched Brother Tony Evans earlier, right? So again, I'm doing my Sunday routine, right? I'm gonna start exercising off and on throughout the day, right? Got me my second new equipment, which is for the upper body and lower body, but I can probably put it right here and use it, right? You know what I mean, right? It too's got the leather straps, the straps here, right? On both sides, right? I got me a hand crank. Oops, it fell off again. I ain't quite finished it yet, but I'm starting it. So this is the front. I believe this is the top. Here, right? And it's called uh, a home track, home gym, right? It's got a little bit of everything. I don't need to mess with the bathroom one, right? And I also got an individual one in the bathroom and in the kitchen there, right? I got two working bicycle type things, right? What do they call them? I got a QB in one room, and then in the kitchen I got a little one that's electrical or electronic, right? A little bit more than the QB anyway. And here are my tools to put it together, right? If I'm right, these two, right, they're kind of rounded, right, go on this one, right? And the other four have to do with the pedals there, right? And I'm pretty much almost done, right? Got it all assembled, right? Of course, got to figure out which two go here, right? Mm-hmm. 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 Right. I got 6, so right. So 2 go here, right? Let's see here. Exactly. Right. Then I got this thing, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Well, I am a little confused because one of them has, like, mm-hmm. I see. Yeah. Right. Mm-hmm. One goes through the top to the bottom, right? Mm-hmm. Now I gotta figure out the washer may go on the top because it's kind of rounded, right? And then I got 2 nuts, right? This looks like it's paired together. These 2, this 2, and these 2, right? The other 4 are for the pedals there, right? Or pedals, right? And there you go, right? And I do got a little washer there. I gotta figure out where it goes, right? Mm-hmm. Right. Mm-hmm. It's called a wing nut, I believe. Mm-hmm. Looking for another place to put it, right? Unless it goes under. Right. Nope. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. This can be tightened, of course, right? And this is my project for today, right? And we're gonna be changing this channel to see who else is on, right? And get back with you later. Have a good day.